Good morning all, Jim here. I'm putting this little preface into this video because I really didn't describe well what it was about when we done the video. But if you've watched my earlier videos, number 28 and 29, where I'm doing the bush hogging, it wasn't just a simple matter during those videos of charging off into the woods. Had to do a little scouting first to make sure which direction you're going to go. So in this video you're about to watch, Linda and I are doing some scouting. I've got about 37 acres and we're heading to one of the far corners. As you first start out, there's no way telling how to get there. So I've got a handheld GPS from Garmin, which I think I give the name in the video. But this is us exploring through the woods to get to that far corner, marking with little pieces of pink tape along the way. One of my future videos to come soon is going to be going with the bush hog and following these little pink pieces of tape and cutting a trail. Later on we'll use it's an ATV trail or you know, just a path to go hiking and what have you. So anyway, stay tuned. I think you might like it. Linda's wearing a GoPro on her chest, so you'll hear her conversation a lot throughout it. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Okay.
You gonna say anything?
Nope. Linda and I are off on an adventure. We're gonna go do some taping. Oh, did you grab the tape? Yeah.
Well, you got one in your pocket too, don't you?
Yeah, I got an.
All right.
I got an extra one.
Okay. Jimmy. Jimmy.
So supposedly we're going off. I'm looking to see. Yeah, got everything. I believe we got everything, but what we're gonna do is I've been bush hogging. We want to find the end of the trail, but rather than just charge off into the forest with the bush hog, I want to put some little cookies, some little pink tape, so I'll know what to follow to get to the destination I want. So right now it's just trekking through the woods. We're going to use the GPS.
Who makes that, Jimmy?
Handheld Garmin GPS. It's an Oregon 650. And I've already got the property markers, so what we're doing is heading for one of the far corner property markers. Come along. You can talk too. I mean, like right now it's showing where we cut trees.
Yeah. I haven't finished cleaning up either. Gonna have to fire your helper. Oh. Maybe when the grandson comes up again, he'll help me with these branches. He's a pretty smart little boy. He helped me at the house hauling some. We had a terrible thunderstorm one night this week, and well, last weekend, 4th of July weekend. Whew. Nice morning. Not humid yet. At least not here in the mountains. So Jimmy, you only need it as wide as the Kubota, right? 8 feet?
Well, you want
the bush hog is how wide?
You don't want all the limbs to lean over into the woods either, so you usually make it a little bit wider.
Well, let's not kill the whole forest. You have such beautiful trees. That's a pine, isn't it, Jim? Yeah, that's a pine.
Big pine, boy. Imagine the lumber you'd get out of that.
Forget that. You're not taking your pine down.
You'll end up when you start building a camp. I need more wood.
Oh, all right.
But in that case, I'm gonna do the boards and everything.
Well, we'll have to measure it. Didn't she say? Patricia say if it was 23 inches, that was for the oak, that it was mature. Putting your dirty glove in your mouth.
Okay, so I'll put it.
Oh.
See, I'd gone off in here quite a ways.
So this is what you mean. But you would have to hand cut these branches here.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't want to take that tree down if you can.
Otherwise, I'd have to go through the tree. Yeah.
That is a, what the heck is that? Fir of some kind.
No, see the short needles? Is it flat? If
They're
the
flat.
Okay, that's probably a
Hemlock?
eastern hemlock.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Okay.
If they go all the way around, then it's a spruce.
Then let these guys mature because hemlock's a nice
See,
tree.
flat.
Okay. Now this one's dead. Almost.
When I was coming through here, see, it was getting kind of juicy when I was doing it.
Wow, it's muddy. That's because of all that rain we had yesterday. Night before last. Thursday night. What's that one? That one is poplar.
I'm going to regret bringing these goddamn gloves.
Well, then just stick them through your gun belt here.
Now, see, this was as far as
Is this wide enough here? That's a sugar maple. You're not cutting that one. 1, 2. I can't see the leaves. 1,
See, I
2,
might have, if I
3,
knew,
4, 5 points. That's a sugar maple.
if I knew better, I might have went through over here.
What?
This way. I think I missed the trail when I went straight up that way.
You did.
I
That
should've-
is a trail, honey.
Should have went this way to the right.
We walked this, didn't we?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah. Oh, no. I'm thinking about the other one. Behind the camper, where I told you the deer. We saw the deer droppings where the deer walk. They may meet, Jimmy.
It's actually up that way more.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because the brook is down here.
Yeah, so let me see how this is. See, I could probably take off into that area.
Well, get a straight line as much as you can without killing big trees, right?
Yeah, it's
That's
like
the goal.
right straight through here. So, I tell you what, if you want to put a little pink on, right here.
How big do you want it, babe?
Oh, a foot long anyway, enough so I can see it from the track.
Oh, that's not a foot, is it, Jim?
Huh?
That's not a foot, is it?
Yeah, that's pretty close.
And just tie one end?
Yeah.
I'll put it at the top, right?
Yeah.
Unless Miss Porcupine comes out and eats them. I don't know where she is. She's still in the old house or not. All right. You want me to put another one here?
Right up. No, just that one.
Oh, it's going to be a tick day today. Holy mackerel, I'm not steady on my feet this morning. It's slippery. That's why. There's a 5-tip maple right there. You got a lot of maples coming up.
See, about that distance right there. That way when I'm sitting on the tractor, I can easily see the next one.
Okay. Yeah, this was evidently the old logging road, Jim.
There's nothing that says it can't go crooked, because it probably will. I'm going to keep going uphill and then kind of angle down. Or go, why don't you hang on a minute? Yeah, I'm trying to pick out the small trees too without running head on into some big trees. And I'm bound to hit some big trees. I mean, can't help it.
Honey, if you go straight through here,
Right up through here, right between that big pine and that big ash.
don't touch them.
I'm not gonna. I'm saying right through here. Come straight.
Through there or that way?
Honey, come the way I'm coming here, please.
So do I go around or just straight?
Straight. Mark that. Mark this pine's gonna have to go.
I'm only doing one tie. This is already broke. This needs to get out of the way anyways.
I'll put one on this pine tree. I think I'll go to this side.
I'm glad I love the woods. This big one here, you're gonna, well, it's not a big one.
Yeah.
What is it?
Because I'll go right between these two big trees.
It's a hemlock, Jim. Got flat needles. Okay. Now how are you going to see that? I'll put it on the end here.
Yep.
Oh. Well, these gloves aren't working for me either, Jimmy. Oh, nuts. I should have brought my light.
I'm trying to hurry. I'm just trying to pick out the grass.
Well, giving me a hard time. Now, if you're taking a right here,
No, I'm not.
oh, you're just scouting. Okay.
The best route.
Hon, I think it went straight up.
Oh, that's what I'm doing.
These trees aren't that big.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
You're going to leave that one and this hemlock.
Yeah, right through here.
Boy, there's a lot of stuff on the ground, too. So I should put another one here so you know you go straight, or you want to wait?
No, or you could put it right here on this one.
All right. Okay. Ooh, it's wet.
And then we got to get around these.
Ooh, it's slippery, honey. Whew. Cool rain feels good. Hon, I think they came right through here.
Well,
That's dead anyways.
no, there's a big there's a ditch right there.
Oh.
So come over this way.
Okay. Should I mark this one then so you know you go...
Yeah, you can mark that one, then mark this one here.
Okay. Those are just moose maple anyways, right?
Somebody was up here.
Although the moose like them. They got plenty up here, I guess.
Somebody one day made a trough here.
Why would they do that? Farmer? Many.
Water.
Yeah.
I'll keep the water from going downhill or something. You know.
Oh, it's going to the brook instead.
Slow it down.
Okay. I hope you can see those.
Now we can go this way, along this ditch.
I think I should put another one. Jim. Right on this branch here.
Yeah, enough so I can see from point. Yep. I'd rather have more than less.
Yeah. Huh?
I wonder if that uphill side is any better.
Well, that's what I said. It looked like there was a road up there.
Cross the ditch.
Well, you can always fill it in with some of these old logs on the ground.
Yeah. Thing is,
That's what they did in the old days.
at some point I got to turn to the right, and I don't want to do it on a slope. Okay, so right up this way.
Right through here?
Yep.
You would have been better to go there. I don't know. Wherever you want to go. Right through here, Jimmy, where I'm standing, or?
I don't want to cut too big of trees. No, up
No.
here.
Huh?
Up here.
Straight?
Straight up here.
Then I got to put a marker. That's the deepest part of the ditch there, though, Jim, to fill in. We going straight or what?
Over this way.
I think that's going to come down anyways.
Yeah, well, I try to avoid as much cutting as I can because it takes so long to cut trees down, move them out of the way before I can even go through with the tractor. So right through here, I'm going right up through.
It's a sugar maple.
Yeah,
right here. Well, I don't know if you're going to be able to see. You got to turn. Jeez, crow. So it's not the right morning to do this. It's way too wet. All right. There. And then where are we going here?
Coming right up through here. That's probably the biggest tree I can see that'll be taken down right there. It's got to be one of those too. I'm coming right up through here. I don't want to run into that stump.
All right. It's a beautiful maple. Oh, well. Got 37 acres.
Hey, then we got a little clearing.
What?
Oh, almost got a little clearing up here.
Because that road over there was a logging road, honey. You can tell. Ugh. Am I going the right way?
Yeah. Why don't you hang on just a minute right there?
Are you looking at the GPS? Do we know?
Yes, I'm trying to go in the right direction. Keep going in that direction now that I want to see. This is better. I think looks like there might have been probably an animal trail.
What? Then follow the animal trail.
Honey, it's going away from where I want to go.
From the point?
Yes.
Okay.
So.
Let's go just straight this way.
Yep. Come right up through here.
Okay, I have to keep stopping, honey. I gotta take these gloves off. I can't do anything with these on. At least one of them, anyways. Yeah, that's better. Much better. Okay. So now we're going this way between these two trees.